Let's make your air-dry clay wreath. Start by taking all the green clay and rolling it into a cylinder shape. Bend the ends to meet each other, forming a circle. Poke small marks all over the circle to give it a realistic textured look. Now for the bow, get some red clay and roll it into a strip. Bring both ends of the strip together in the middle, but be gentle because the loop should stay open. Take a smaller piece of red clay, roll it into a thin rope, and wrap it around the center of the bow. For the ribbon's tail, roll a tiny ball of red clay, flatten it a bit, and pinch the bottom to create the tail. Attach the tail to the bottom center of the bow. Then place the bow on your wreath and press gently to secure it. Now it's time to decorate. Use the white clay to roll little balls and stick them onto your wreath. Before your clay dries, poke a small hole at the top. This is where you'll hang it. Let the clay dry completely for at least 24 hours. Once it's dry, thread your ball chain through the hole and your mini wreath is ready to hang.